Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a case which is based on the ground of revenue that if the CAT appeal disposes some appeal on the basis of the evidences which are on file, so whether it is necessary for the CAT appeal to seek a remand report from the assessing officer before adjudicating the matter, or the second issue was that if the additions for unsecured loans has been made just on the basis that the lender do have very low income and the lender has advanced the money to the assessee on the same day on which the lender has received that fund into his account, so whether these grounds alone are justified to make the addition under section 68 for unsecured loans. This issue has been taken up by Delhi ITAT G bench in the case of Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus Signature Global India Private Limited, and this case is reported in 128 ITR Tribunal at page number 30, and the date of the judgment is 7th February 2025. In the present case, there were two additions basically which were made into the income of the assessee under section 68, one for share capital and one for unsecured loans. For the sake of brevity, I am taking the addition which was made for unsecured loans. The assessee has taken unsecured loan. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessee submitted the bank statement of the loan creditors, their acknowledgements and all other relevant details. The assessing officer did not find any discrepancy in these documents. The assessing officer did not made any inquiry. The assessing officer only made two observations in the assessment order. These observations were that the lender do have very low income as per their income tax return filed, and the second apprehension of the learned assessing officer was that the lender has advanced money to the assessee on the same date on which it has received the amount into his bank account. Except these two observations, no inquiry was made by the assessing officer, no discrepancy was found by the assessing officer into the evidences submitted by the assessee. When the matter was before the CAT appeal, the CAT appeal passed a very reasoned order and appreciated the evidences filed by the assessee during the assessment proceedings. The CAT appeal thought it not necessary to seek the remand report from the assessing officer and passed his appellate order by giving relief to the assessee and by deleting the addition. When this matter was before the tribunal, the revenue raised an additional ground that the CAT appeal should have sought a remand report from the assessing officer and then should have passed the order. For this, the tribunal said that the CAT appeal has got the wide power to make the inquiries during the appellate proceedings. If the CAT appeal feels that the assessee has submitted some additional evidences, that the assessee has filed some additional evidences before the CAT appeal which were not filed before the assessing officer, only in that case the question of remand report arises. But in the present case, since all the documents were before the AO, so the AO do not require any second inning to comment on those evidences. The AO choose not to make any inquiry. The AO choose not to find any discrepancy. Just on the frivolous grounds, the additions were made by the assessing officer. So the tribunal said that in the present case, the assessee has submitted all the relevant documents, the bank statement of the lenders, their written acknowledgements, and the assessing officer, since did not make any inquiry, so the additions are not justified. The tribunal said that in the present case, the evidences and submissions of the assessee were rejected by the assessing officer just on the basis of the doubt, and as per as the plea of the revenue that the assessee has not proved the source of the source. So for that, the tribunal said that for the relevant assessment year for which the case is pending, in that particular year, the requirement of proving the source of source was not there. For this, my point of view is that if the assessing officer is not doubting the documents and evidences of the source, so the revenue do not have any right to ask the source of the source. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus Signature Global India Private Limited, and this case is reported in 128 ITR Tribunal at page number 30, and the matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT G bench on 7th February 2025. Thank you, friends.